welcome to my channel. Today I will be treating editing. We have all these tools under editing. Number one, we have Autosome, we have fill, we have clear, we have sort and filter, then we have find and select. Under Autosome, we have a flyout where we have all of this. We have sum, we have average, we have count numbers, we have maximum, then we have minimum. Now, under fill, we have down, right, up, left. Under clear, we have clear all, clear format, clear content, clear comment, clear hyperlinks. Under sort and filter, we have sort A to Z, we have sort Z to A, we have custom, we have filter. Under find and select, we have find, replace, go to special, we have formulas, we have comments, conditional formatting, we have constants, we have data validation, we have select objects, then we have select panel, we have selection panel. Now let's start from Autosome. Autosome, this is where you find your summation tools. Number one, sum. This is how to use sum. Here, for instance, you can come to your numbers right here. For instance, amount. Let me remove what I have here. If I want to sum this, I click sum. From top, from right here, I want the summation to be right here. You click the fly out, you click on sum, you press enter key. Here we go, you have it right here, 1,150,000. Now the next one here is average. If you want to find the average value of all of this from here to here, you go at the top right here, you click on average, you press enter key. The average of this amount is 230,000. The next one is count numbers. For instance, you have plenty of numbers right here. Instead of counting one by one, you can put your cursor right here and click on count numbers. You press enter key. We have 5 numbers of items right here, 5 numbers of transactions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the next one is maximum. If you want to know the maximum amount of what you have here, you click here, you go to maximum. The maximum amount we have right here is 500. Now the next one is minimum. The minimum amount we have right here, you click, press enter key, is 100. Now the next here is list. We have list right here. The next one we have right here is fill. This fill is not too important for you as a beginner, but let me just give you what it does. Now this fill here, if you want to fill down, you fill the next cell. You fill this cell with this, that is the cell before the one you are filling. width. Now that is okay. You click right here. You are filling down. You are filling down. If you are filling down, you click. That means you duplicate what you have here. The next one is right. Fill right. You come to your right hand side. You go to fill. That means you fill what you have here right here. Or you can highlight like this and go to fill right. You have everything right here. Now the next is you have hop. Fill hop. Take for instance, this is hop. I want to fill the amount from here to here. Now you click fill hop. You have amount hop there. The next is left. This is our left hand side. If you want to fill the whole of this like this, what you have here, you want them to appear here automatically. You highlight where you want it. You click fill left. You have it right there. The next is clear. If you want to clear the content, you can clear all by highlighting the portion you want and go to clear all content. Everything is gone. Bring it back with Ctrl Z. The next one is clear formats. This here, we do not have any format right here. Let's say for instance, I have a format here. This format, I want to clear all the format here. You click on clear format. No more format. This is as it was from the beginning. This is raw. The way you input it is what okay, this is raw. Now the next one, let me undo. The next one is clear content. The content of what you have here. If I want to clear it, you go to clear content. You've cleared the content. Now the next one is comment. Take for instance, you have comment right here. You have comment. Insert comment. Mr. Nobody. Let's say for instance, you have Mr. Nobody. He has your comment. If you want to clear it, you come here and clear comment. The comment is gone. The next one is hyperlinks. This hyperlinks is going to be treated in my advanced tutorial on Microsoft Excel. The next is sort and filter. We have sort A to Z. We have sort Z to A. Then we have custom sort. What sort does is this. If you want to sort this alphabetically, you highlight the portion you want. You click A to Z. That is from A to Z, from smaller to bigger. So you click this. You have it sorted. Air conditioner CD player. As you can see, air conditioner starts from A, C, G, T, T. So the next one is, if you are sorting from Z to A, that is from the bigger to smaller. You sort Z to A. You have T, G, C, A. Now, if you are working with numbers, if you want to sort it, take for instance, you want to sort this, you want to sort it with numbers, you can do it this way. Sort with numbers. I have this number right here, for instance. You highlight sort with numbers from smallest to largest. You can see 10, 5, 12 from smallest. Excuse me. Let me clear the format. I've cleared the format to enable me to do what I want to do. So you can see 5, 10, 12, 13, 14. So sorted from smallest to largest. Now I want to sort from largest to smallest. You click, bam. You can see from largest to smallest, 14, 13, 12. So the next one is custom sorting. So this one, I will be guiding you through on this one in my advanced tutorial. So filter. If you want to filter, you can go to here and have all this button right here. Let me undo and show you again. Filter, what filter does is to have a filter icon. It's to have a filter icon on your cells, on your table rather, on your data. Like this, you highlight the portion you want on top of your data. You click filter. So you are in control of everything in your cells within the range you applied filter on. So if you click the fly out, the filter says, what do you want to do? Do you want to sort from smallest to largest? You click here. Do you want to sort largest to smallest? You click here. If I click here, it's sorted from smallest to largest. If I click here, it's sorted from. So if you want to use this criteria to sort, you can easily come here. You don't need to highlight anything. You come here, you click A to Z. Everything is sorted accordingly. If you say Z to A, everything is sorted according to what you have right here. So the next here is clear content. If you are clear, if you want to clear what you have in your filter, you can go to this place. You highlight and go to clear. You've cleared what you've applied. You go to clear. You've cleared your command right here. So the next is find and select. In this tutorial, I will be putting you through on find and replace. So find and replace, what find and replace does is you click on find. For instance, this box comes out. So I want to find table. I want to find table. You type table. You click find all. So you have all the table found. So here it says in this workbook you have 2 table found, 2 cells found where you have table. So this is 1. Then the next you go to find next. This is our next. This is the next one. You see 2. We found 2. So let's say for instance, what replace does is this. Now I've seen table. Now I want to replace it. You click replace. So what are you replacing with? You are replacing with share. You are replacing with share. So when you do that, you click replace all. You can see Excel has completed its search and has made 2 replacements. So you press OK. Look at this place. The table has changed to share. The same way here, table changed to share. Thank you very much for today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, comment and like. See you next time. Bye.